Hey there, and welcome to function number 7. In this exercise, we're going to need to write a function called lastNRevert that receives two parameters. First, a string named text. Secondly, a number we're going to call n. Now, the function needs to return the last n characters of our text, but in reverse order. Let's look at the example below. So, if the text is t-shirts and our number is 4, the expected output is this one. And we also have an explanation. The last 4 characters are IRTS, so the reversed order is STRI. If you want to solve this exercise for yourself, click on the link in the description. If not, keep watching. I'm going to go here into the code area and let's solve it together. First thing I want to do is get the last n characters of our text. And to do this, I'm going to use a function called slice. So I'm going to say const lastN is equal to text.slice of -n. Now, this slice function exists on all strings, so we can use it. It's built into the language. And what it does is gives us a part of that string. By calling this function with -n, what I'm saying is, hey, I want the last n characters of our text. Now, don't take my word for it, so let's test it. I'm going to say return last n, and here let's do console log of lastNRevert of maybe our text is going to be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and 3. Now, what should I get is the last 3 characters, and I get them. So that's great. And of course, without the character there. Now that I got the last 10 characters, the second part of this problem is how do I reverse them? And if you Google online, like how to reverse a string, you might find this solution that goes like this: return lastN dot split, and then dot reverse, and then dot join. You might see this one. And if we look at the code, it actually works. So the last 3 characters reversed are correctly G, F, E. However, this solution is not really the best. I mean, it's simple in the sense that it's just one line, but actually a lot of stuff are going under the hood. Split splits our string into an array. Then we reverse that array, and then we put the elements of the array back into the string. So there's a lot of processing just for a simple reverse. Now, I don't want to do that. So instead, I'm going to go the old-fashioned way. I'm going to do a normal for. I'm going to take all elements from our string, but in reverse. And I'm going to have here a variable result. And I'm going to do result. I'm going to add one character each. I'm going to add one character at a time in result, but in reverse order. So I'm going to say result plus equals lastN of I. And finally, I'm going to return result. Now, if we look at our console, we get the correct string, so that's good. And let's also test it. And voila, everything works great. Cheers, and see you in the next one.